Hello students, in this video we will discuss the concept of linked list with special reference to insertions and deletions in a linked list at the beginning. So let us begin. So when we say linked list, it is a linear data structure. By linear we mean clearly there is a first element, second element and a third element of the list. It is sequential, that means you can refer to first, second, third elements. And there are successive elements, but the difference from other linear data structures is that in this we have pointers, and using pointers we refer to the elements refer to each other. So let us look at the conceptual view of a linked list. So logically, as we can see, there is a header which contains the address of the first node. The first node data is A and the pointer is 200, which points to location number 200 where the data is B and it is pointing towards location number 450, and at location number 450 the data is C and it has a null pointer, that means it is pointing nowhere. This is the end of the list. So this is the logical view of the linked list. Inside the RAM, that is the primary memory, this linked list is represented like this. There is a variable head and at the location that is allocated to head there is a pointer which contains the address 300. Now after reading this 300 from there, we load the 300 memory cell, and in this cell there is a data value A and it is pointing towards the cell number 200. Then when we go to cell number 200, there is a data value B and it is pointing towards the cell number 450. Then we go to cell number 450 and there is a data member C and it is pointing to null. That means this is the end of the linked list. So logically the linked list is a sequential list, that is there is a series of elements, but physically it is scattered in the memory, and as and when the requirement arises the new allocations are made. Therefore it doesn't fix the size of the linked list. So as we can see here, the linked list can grow and shrink in the size during the execution of the program. So I can add new elements, delete elements from the linked list. So its size can change during the execution, whereas in arrays, which is another linear data structure, the size is fixed. If I allocate an array of size 100, that means the size is going to remain 100 throughout the execution of the program. But this is not so in the linked list. The linked list can store 200 or 200 elements also, and it can store 10 elements also. Accordingly, the size of the linked list is going to change, and this is due to this scattered arrangement which we see logically as a list of elements. I hope the concept, the basic definition of linked list is clear. In the next video, I will be recording for the insertions and deletions in a linked list. Thank you.